Soul looks different in the rain, softer somehow. Like it's trying to forget the same things I am. I walked the long way home again, past your street. The lights were on upstairs. I didn't stop, just kept walking, hands in pockets, counting the steps between then and now. The convenience store was still open, the one we always went to. I stood outside for a while, then kept going. I don't know why I still walk this way. It takes longer, and it doesn't help, but I do it anyway. Past your street, past your light, past the place we stood the last time. Soul looks different in the rain, quieter somehow. Like even the city knows to leave things alone. I took the long way home